Do you have chewing gum?
Look, Dora Ice Skater.
Yeah, Dora. John Henry, what kind of chewing gum do you have? Is it good?
It's got pink and green and red.
Oh, and you got a cup? The Santa Claus cup? Is it good?
I don't have one too.
Yeah, yours is over there, Abby May. See, no, this is John Henry's over there. Is yours. You want to get it?
It's yours. Oh, can I have some juice?
Yeah, I've already got you some juice in it, baby.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
She wants saving. I'm a big squid.
Don't turn it down. You gotta hold it up. That's a big cup. Like that,
That's a
yeah.
big cup.
Good job. Is it good?
I had a hard time at sleeping. I got some pajamas on. It lights up. See, lights up too. It lights up. This is my big cup. That's all. I love my pink one.
Buddy, you got a bunch of chewing gum in your mouth. You're not gonna eat another piece, are you?
No,
You can put it up.
no, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna eat bunch.
You're gonna eat a bunch?
Huh. Then it's gonna be all gone.
You're gonna eat a bunch and it'll be all gone?
Huh.
Well, you don't want to save some for later?
No.
Oh, that wouldn't make any sense, would it?
No.
Gotta have it all right now, don't we?
I want to eat those all up. I want to eat those all gone.
Okay.
You can eat those all gone, but don't get choked. Okay.